Good day, class. I'm Ma'am Nicole, your science teacher today. Our lesson is about characteristic of weather. Okay, let's start our new lesson.
Weather and its types. What is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. It describes whether the atmosphere is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy, windy or still. Weather is a fascinating and dynamic aspect of our environment, greatly influences our daily life. In the Philippines, a tropical archipelago located in Southeast Asia, weather patterns are diverse and can vary significantly from region to region. Understanding the weather is crucial for various activities such as agriculture, tourism, and other disaster preparedness. The Philippines has two main monsoon seasons. The first one is southwest monsoon or habagat. Bring heavy rain happens from May to October. Areas like Metro Manila and Western Luzon can get flooded because of too much rain and not enough drainage. Second, northeast monsoon or amihan. Bring cooler and drier air. Makes the weather feel fresher and more comfortable. The Philippines is affected by the El Niño Southern Oscillation ENSO, which causes changes in sea temperatures. In El Niño, warmer sea surface temperature can lead to drought, water shortages, and crop failures. In La Niña, cooler sea surface temperature can cause flooding and disrupt agriculture. The first weather is sunny weather. Sunny weather happens when the sky is clear or has few clouds. The sun rays shine through and warm the surrounding air. Windy weather. Wind is moving air when the air is moving very fast. The weather is windy. Cloudy weather. On a cloudy day, the clouds block most of the sun rays from reaching the Earth's surface. Rainy weather. Rainy weather happens when water falls from clouds. Clouds are made of tiny water droplets. When these droplets become too heavy, they fall to earth as rain. Stormy weather. Stormy weather typically involves strong winds and heavy rain, thunder, and lightning. It can also bring hail or snow. Stormy weather can also be accompanied by high waves and rough seas. Snowy weather. Snowy weather occurs when temperatures drop below freezing, causing water vapor in the atmosphere to form ice crystal that falls as snow. It is often accompanied by cold winds and can lead to icy roads and reduced visibility. In some cases, heavy snowfall can cause travel disruption and power outages. Foggy weather. Foggy weather happens when tiny water droplets suspend in the air near the ground, reducing visibility. It usually forms in cool, humid conditions and is most common in the early morning or after rain. Fog can make driving dangerous and may cause delay in air and sea travel. Why is studying weather important? The first one is keep us safe. Knowing the weather helps us prepare for storm, strong winds, or extreme heat. We can bring an umbrella or stay indoors when needed. Second, help us plan. We can pick the right clothes, jacket, or t-shirt and decide if it's a good day to play outside or stay indoors. Third, protects nature. Farmers and fishers need weather updates to take care of crops and animals. Fourth, save lives. Weather warning help people prepare for typhoons, floods, and other disasters. Fifth, make learning fun. Watching clouds, raindrops, and rainbows teaches us about science and nature. How weather affects our lives. Positive effects. The first one is farming and crops. Rain helps plants grow and provides food. Second, clothing choices. Knowing the weather helps us dress properly. Third, outdoors activities. Sunny days are great for playing and traveling. Fourth, water cycle and climate. Rain fills rivers and lakes, giving us water to drink. PIP, renewable energy. Solar and wind power create clean electricity. 6. Festival and tradition. Good weather allows fun celebration and harvest festival. Negative effects. The first one is disaster. Storm, floods, and typhoons can damage home and crops. Second, outdoor activities. Heavy rain or extreme heat can cancel plans. Third, travel safety. Bad weather can delay or cancel flights and trips. Fourth, farming risks. Too much rain or drought can ruin crops. Fifth, heat waves. Extremely hot weather can cause heat stroke and wildfire. Basic characteristic of weather. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere at a particular time and place, and it is determined by several key characteristics. These include temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation, cloudiness, and visibility. Air temperature is a measure of how hot or cold the air is. It is the most commonly measured weather parameter. More specifically, temperature describes the kinetic energy or energy of motion of the gases that make up air. As gas molecules move more quickly, air temperature increases. Air pressure shows how much air is present in a particular area. Changes in air pressure can lead to changes in the weather. Wind speed and direction indicates how fast and from where the wind is blowing. Wind can come from different directions depending on the current weather. Humidity shows how moist the air is. In the Philippines, humidity is often high, especially in coastal areas and urban centers. Rainfall indicates the descent of water from the sky. In the Philippines, there are two main rainy seasons, the southwest monsoon or habagat and the northeast monsoon or amihan. Cloud cover show how much of the sky is covered by clouds. There are times when cloud cover may be low, while at the other time, the sky may be full of clouds. Different types of weather instruments. Thermometer. These tell us how hot or cold the air is. You might see one outside your house or in your classroom. Barometer. This measures air pressure. When air pressure is high, the weather is usually sunny. When it's low, it might rain or storm. Rain gauge. This is like a cup that collects rain to measure how much has fallen. More rain in the gauge means heavier rainfall. Wind vane, weather vane. These show where the wind is coming from. If the arrow points north, the wind is coming from the north. Hygrometer. This checks humidity or how much water is in the air. High humidity can make it feel sticky and hot. Psychrometer. This also measures humidity but uses two thermometers, one dry and one wet. The difference in temperature tells how humid the air is. Weather balloon. A weather balloon is a big balloon that goes up in the sky to check the weather. It measures temperature, wind, and air pressure to help predict the weather. Weather satellite. These are in space and take pictures of clouds, storm, and other weather patterns. They help predict hurricane and typhoons. Thank you for listening.